Most people say they want to learn coding, but the real problem isn't motivation. The real problem is confusion. There are thousands of tutorials, hundreds of languages, and everyone online is shouting a different path. So today, let's simplify everything. There isn't one way to learn coding. There are 7 clear paths, and the right one depends on what you actually want to build. Let's start with the most common path. Web development. This is where most beginners start. First, you learn HTML to structure a website, then CSS to make it look good, then JavaScript, which brings everything to life. Once you understand JavaScript, you move into frameworks like React or Vue, and then backend tools and databases. Web development is powerful because almost every business on the planet needs websites and web apps. Next is mobile app development. If you want to build apps people use on their phones, this is your path. For iPhones, you learn Swift. For Android, Kotlin. Or you can go cross-platform with tools like Flutter or React Native. This path is incredibly satisfying because your work lives in people's pockets. Third is desktop application development. This is about building real software people install on their computers. You can use tools like Electron or languages like C# with .NET. This path is perfect if you enjoy building productivity tools, software products, or system utilities. Fourth is hardware and IoT. This is where code meets the physical world. Using tools like Raspberry Pi and Python, you can control sensors, lights, motors, and machines. You're not just writing code, you're creating real-world interactions. Fifth is game development. If you've ever dreamed of building a game, this is your road. Using engines like Unity or Godot, you learn logic, physics, graphics, and problem-solving. Game development teaches you how systems work together in a very deep way. Sixth is machine learning and artificial intelligence. This path starts with Python and moves into data analysis, models, and neural networks. It's about teaching machines to recognize patterns, make decisions, and learn from data. This is one of the fastest growing fields in technology. And finally, systems and core engineering. This is the deepest level of programming. Languages like C, C++, and Rust help you understand memory, performance, and how computers truly work. This path is challenging, but it builds extremely strong programmers. Now here's the most important truth. There is no best path. There is only the path that matches what you want to build. Stop trying to learn everything. Choose one direction. Commit to it. Build real projects. Because watching tutorials doesn't make you a programmer. Building things does. And the moment you start building, everything finally begins to make sense.